ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kasamla Ridamaya pasa arpu arsnem kerta kabadai na po kajela Meghalaya. Kalayo banra ya ka Jingïakop ha ka Jingïakop Thei Briew ya ka belatip kum ka Sunsil Mega Miss Northeast Arhajar arpsao. Ha ka ni Jingïakop Thei Briew. Kila don kumbasan pu prangut ki Thei Briew ki belawan pani shimenta ki badai na keleng ki jela jo kathan chatai lami ngi bat na po jela Meghalaya ki don kumanyongut ki belalej pani shimenta ha ki ni Jingïakop Thei Briew ha ki ni Jingïakop ki Thei Briew na po jela Meghalaya kila yo bandrung ha ka top 12 bat buat pat sa ka top 5 layo rung da ka Ridamaya pasa bat kala yo arak sendon ya ka nam Mega Miss Northeast Arajar opsau ringkat bat arngut ki Nongjop na Manipur bat na Assam. Ya ka kategori state winner Meghalaya la job da I Chivalry Lartang kat ba ya ka subtitle Dazzler Eternal Miss Glamorous rule la job da ka Meghalaya lingba ka Emichwa da ka Ladia. Kasamla Ridamaya pasa kan salai pen mi Khmat Shakari Turkey ha ka show Top Model Universe bandong mentau snam hi.
Is Ridamaya pasa from Meghalaya. You slay. Many congratulations to each one of you, the top 12. But hear me out. Here's the news. To all those who are watching us online, here's the news from 12. We are cutting it to only 5. The top 5 finalists will be chosen now, and their luck changes tonight. Advancing to the top 5. Here we go, guys. It's a contestant from Meghalaya, Ridamaya Pasa.
One of the co-winner of Sunsilk Serum, Mega Miss Northeast 20th edition is Meghalaya.